Hi Jen, let me show you how to do that. Okay, so basically, let's see. You want to know how to edit text? No problem. Well, you just get the text tool. Let me show you where that lives. First of all, all right, so new file. Now, if you see that checkerboard pattern, it means that you're not working on the background, you're working on a layer, which is what you want, because then it's more editable. If I turn that off, you'll see that checkerboard pattern. You can take these locks on and off, turn it into, you can turn that white off or you can leave the white on. Basically, if there's text in there that's not flattened, you should just be able to get in there. Let me copy some text. All right, I'll just grab that. All right, so if you want to, with Photoshop, so you can draw a box and the text will paste into that box, or, come on, go away, or you can just paste, and sometimes you get a super long line that way, so it's easier for me to just kind of draw exactly the area that I want it, and then paste. You can see I have it on a crazy font. So I'm going to go to character, or in Photoshop, it's up here in the properties. It also lives under character, like all the type options. So I've got a super crazy font. Maybe I just want it on that. And then of course you can change the text size. And then this is the leading, the space between the lines in a paragraph. And then underneath it is the space in between the letters. It's called tracking. Or if you do it by hand, the individual letters, it's called kerning. All right, so that's all you need to do is you just get, let's say, all right, I'm going to try to make it look exactly like yours now. I'm going to turn off that previous background layer. So that's basically what you're looking at. You should be able to get the type tool, hover over it, and click, and then you'll get the whole box and you can start editing it. If you've done that and all it does is keep creating new boxes, it means that this layer is flattened. So I'm looking at your image here and I'm seeing either layer 2 is your text or it's flattened. It's really can't tell. So that's basically how you do it. If it's flattened, if the text is, the same as the images and the type at the top, that means you'll just have to retype it. And you always want to keep those text layers active. So you might ask, how can I tell if it's flattened? Let me show you. So that's my text that's working. Dun, dun, dun. Rasterized type. So yeah, I guess it's not flattened because it would show up like that. It just flattens it so that it's like an image. So you probably don't have to worry. I imagine that's live type. Otherwise it would look like just another layer. Okay, hope that helps. Bye.